About business matrices, is it specific to like top management, or is it specific to certain departments? How do you define that? Any good examples of?
Yeah. Business metrics actually, for the longest time, I really want my engineers to care about my business metrics, but yeah, it's been a hard-fought battle throughout my career as a software leader. So most of the times, because they're not real time, they're not about service health, most of the time the leadership is driving those top down rather than the other way around. A good example would be, like if you're an e-commerce site, how many orders do you place in a day? If you expect a particular type of volume of rides that need to be called every day, is it actually happening? So there'll be good examples of just business metrics of, are you really delivering the value that you intended to? And then you aggregate them over hours, over days and weeks and months to see what the trends are and try to figure out where you should be investing more energy. Other types of business metrics, there's a completely different class of business metric that define where you should be investing engineering effort. So you ship this really brilliant new feature in the market thinking everybody's going to jump on it. These metrics can tell you, actually that never happened. And people are still using some other feature that you didn't think was that important, right? So business metric inform those kind of decisions as well as to new features that have been launched versus workflows, new APIs that have been launched. Are people using it? How frequently are they using it? Are they getting the traction that you want? How are people using those features as well? So these are sort of more owned by the product and leadership teams. But I would love to build an engineering team that cared as much about the business metrics as they cared about their operational ones.